Hello everyone, this is Lucy and today I will show you how to find your Discord user ID in your Discord. So first open your Discord app and go to your profile at the bottom right corner and go to settings. First you will need to make sure that your developer mode is enabled. Search for developer mode and you will be taken to this settings. At the top you will see the setting for developer mode. Enable it and go back. So after you go back, open any chat and type any message. So here you will need to click on your profile. Something like this will pop up. So you just need to click on this little three dots at the top right of this profile and you'll see copy user ID. So copy that user ID and paste it here. So whatever number you get, you copied, you pasted is your Discord user ID. And that's all for this video. Thank you guys for watching. Like and subscribe for more videos like this and I'll meet you guys in the next video.